So today's video, I will show you how to make rice toner. Rice water toner is what you need if you want to look younger. Rice water toner is what you need if you want to take away those signs of aging, like wrinkles, fine lines. You want to make your skin supple. You want to make your skin naturally beautiful. Even with no makeup, you'll be glowing and glowing. Just get this. This is a firming water you need to take away those wrinkles with time. You won't see them anymore. If you have severe wrinkles, it can take time because this is natural. But of course, as you use it, you'll be noticing total improvement. You'll be noticing a lot of improvements. In case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I share beauty treatments, health drinks, skincare tips, DIYs that will make sure you are looking younger, that will make your skin to glow, that will make you look beautiful. Your skin will look uniform. Even with no makeup, your skin will look so beautiful. So consider subscribing, okay, for more tips like this. Like this video and also make sure you share it. Let's go on. Do you have someone that have wrinkles, or you want to just take care of your skin? You love yourself so much to the extent you don't joke with your skin. This is for you. I will show you step by step how to prepare this rice to make sure you have a great result. So what you need here is rice, your rice grain at home. Just take it, wash it thoroughly. So before I start, let me tell you the benefits of using rice for your skin. It contains anti-aging properties that make sure it fights free radical damage that always makes you develop wrinkles, fine lines, and the rest. Also, rice is very brightening. It brightens the skin gradually, please, naturally. There's no any artificial here. It is naturally brightening. To get rid of dull skin, it exfoliates the skin if you are to use the rice powder. We're not using rice powder yet to make a mask. In my DIY facial masks, I always make sure I include either rice powder or oat powder. So many of you will know that. But this particular one is rice water, and the purpose is to firm your skin. Rice also helps to close large open pores. For those that have rough skin, they touch their skin like this, it's looking rough. It's looking rough, it's not smooth. You may take picture, it will look smooth. You may go out there, it will look smooth, but as you touch it, use your hand to feel it, it will look rough. That is large open pores. You need to close it to prevent acne, to prevent further blackheads and the rest. Rice also is a natural sunscreen. If you use it, you go out in the sun, it will not give you blemishes, it will not give you sunburn. So, get your raw rice, then you wash it thoroughly. You need to do these two steps. Just choose any one. It depends on what you want and how fast you want it. For the boiling method, you still need to use raw rice. This is the main ingredient. Wash it to remove dust. Use a clean water to rinse out. Then you have to strain out the water. Transfer the rice back into your cooking pot. Pour water in the pot. You have to boil it on a low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. As it's boiling, stir it and stir once again, then strain out the water. That water, don't joke with it. Your skin needs it to stay healthy a lot. So the water is what you need to prepare your skin to look younger. So allow that water to cool and transfer it in a can or bottle. You can see? Yeah. So what you have to add here is just vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant, is a moisturizer as well that keeps your skin out of wrinkles. If you have wrinkles already, if you use this, you see those wrinkles minimizing, reducing. Your skin will be looking supple and so beautiful. So add just few drops, about 2 to 3 drops of vitamin E oil in the water for this quantity. Okay, then you shake it very well anytime you want to use. Then you take a cotton wool like this. If it's a spray, just spray some. As you can see what I'm doing. Then clean your face. Make sure before you clean your face with this that you have washed off all makeups, your face is neat. Use a very good gentle soap or a cleanser so that this will penetrate, because as you clean it, you will not wash it out, so the rice water will be like this overnight. So remember to clean your neck. So the water will look milky after straining it out from the rice. The rice itself, you can cook it and eat it. You don't need to throw it away. Please learn to make use of your natural ingredients, because there's no waste. No one is a waste. Okay, just damp and clean. You can spray. You can also spray directly like this. Just close your eyes and your mouth, your lip. I think this is the fastest, and your skin will stay hydrated. Like, just add few drops of vitamin E oil. If you don't have vitamin E oil, you can use olive oil, but I don't really like olive oil, especially if you have oily skin. Just light oils like vitamin E oil, sunflower oil, argan oil, rosehip oil. They are very, very good, very penetrating as well. It will not clog your pores. So just apply like this and leave it on overnight. Do not apply a cream. This is for you that have wrinkles, fine lines, and the rest. If you have firming face cream, okay, we have all those. Okay, we have skincare products. You can patronize by contacting that WhatsApp number. Okay, we also have very good vitamin C oil, not your usual vitamin C oil you see out there. This is really firming and brightening, purely natural. After spraying this, allow to penetrate and dry, then you can now go on and apply your face cream that is natural. But if you don't have your face cream to apply, just spray this or use your cotton wool to clean and leave it on overnight. The next day, wash it out and continue. All right, so for the second part, which is fermentation, soaking the rice overnight. Okay, if you cannot soak it overnight, you can leave it on for 3 to 6 hours. I prefer this method, the soaking method. It will ferment. All the nutrients will come out fully. No loss of any nutrients. During boiling, there will be some loss of nutrients, but it's actually faster for those that want to prepare and use it fast. But it's not as if during boiling that all nutrients will be lost. There will be some nutrients that will also help your skin. But I prefer this soaking method. Please try to use soaking method. You will surely love it. So leave it for the next day to ferment properly, or leave it for some hours. So you have to stir it once again. When it's done, strain out the rice. The water is what you need. Add your vitamin E oil, few drops, or any of the oils that I just mentioned. Shake it anytime you want to use. This is not a toner that you need to take away wrinkles, to firm your skin, to stop those saggy skin, and you look younger. So you have to store it in the refrigerator, not in the freezer, because this has no preservative. So just make sure you leave it in the refrigerator. Anytime you want to use, just get your cotton wool, spray on it, or you can just spray directly on a clean skin, and you see the way your skin will be repairing naturally. All right, so that is how to make your rice water toner, to take away wrinkles, to moisturize your skin, to have a supple skin, to prevent sunburn, to close large open pores, preventing pimples and the rest. All right, so here's a very powerful video. It's a drink that you need to repair your system, to glow and look younger. Make sure you subscribe, like this video please, and also share it. I will see you next time.